Hi there, YouTube. I just wanted to give an example of a multi-dimensional approach to organization. I've seen this in Excel sheets and stuff like that, but in particular, I'm looking at tabs that are 5 different colors. And I started to tab my property management book, kit for dummies book, and I put some titles on it. But the reason why I wanted to record this video is because I just came up with a color coding scheme, which is that, and so literally it's quite multidimensional because I thought about basically putting a bookmark where it's whatever is relevant based off of the time dimension. So for example, I could, so this is orange, right? Or something like that, whatever that fruit is. But I could identify this as something that's more relevant to the present, to the future, to the past. And then this one would be a combination of all three, and then a combination of the past, present, and then two other ones, which would be a combination of the past and the future, and then a combination of the past and the present. So, or did I already say that? Whatever, it's a combination of 7, I think. Maybe I'm missing another one because my combinatorics is not that. I would have to write it all out to see how many combinations are. But of all 3 dimensions, the past, present, and future, and how they relate to each other. And the reason why that would be probably the most relevant use of this color code scheme, quite literally a multi-dimensional way of organizing, is because some of the stuff that I'm reading about is based off of my own experience. So I could use that as a color scheme. I may not actually end up doing that just because everything seems relevant regardless of time. But that would be one example of a multi-dimensional approach. And I've seen this also there's some color schemes that people like to use on Excel. I remember when I had the spreadsheet, I had some stuff highlighted and it looked like a color scheme in a way. And one of my friends had asked if it was what it meant. And I was like, oh, well, that's just randomly there. It was placed there by accident. But I often find that for Excel sheets for engineering, they use colors codes as a way of organizing the user interface. So they're saying, okay, well, this is red, so don't use it, or like this is a permanent thing here, don't use it. Or maybe they might have like a blue, which indicates that you should change it. Or if it's white, maybe it means that it's taken from a reference. So there's different color codes based off of how that input in Excel was made. And that's very important because when you're using it as a user of the Excel sheet, you have to know where that information came from in order for you to use that to create more sub sheets or whatever you want to call it. I just figured I would throw that out there to allow you to understand why multidimensional approaches to organization is the key to success. And this, because the more organized you are, the more you can pull that trigger and just have that exponential success. All right, thanks.